Hey guys, making money online is supposed to be simple, or at least that is what we have been told. But if you have been at it for a while, you know it is easy to overcomplicate everything. Spending hours, trying to figure out which program to join, which traffic source to use, which software do you need, how to connect all the pieces. It feels like a never-ending puzzle. But what if there was a system that handled the hard parts for you training, that walks you through step by step, a done-for-you system, so you do not have to build everything from scratch, an easy way to collect leads and earn commissions at the same time? That is exactly what Master Affiliate Profits does. And best of all, it is free to join. It is built for beginners and experienced marketers. It has already paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars to members. So if you are tired of guessing, stressing, and overcomplicating things, now is the time to join MAPI and take a simpler approach. Get your free MAPI membership and get started in the next 90 seconds. Success online is not about doing more. It is about doing the right things in the right order. And MAP lays it all out for you. Let's get started.